wanted to talk to you about the renovation of an existing fireplace. A lot of people come to us when they're in their home the 15 or 20-year mark because they want to change the look of a room. And we're happy to do that for you. In my own case, we built in the late 90s and we wanted to change our fireplace. We had a traditional log set with marble and mantle. Well, this time we decided to do something different, so this is what we went with, a Mendota Full View 41 Modern. And I like the Mendota Modern because it has a lot of different choices for your decor. In my own case, my husband wanted to go traditional with another set of logs. I wanted to go modern with all glass beads. And you can do that on the Mendota, but in our case we went driftwood logs with the River Rock media. The backings come in different colors. We're happy to show you that on our website or in the showroom. And the nice thing about a Mendota is 100% customizable. On our surround here, it's a layered grace, which means I have two different colors, but there's door options available, there's single colors, a lot of different front options for you. Now, it has a mantle in my case, and that's a function of your installation. We're happy to talk to you about whether you not need a mantle or whether you do need a mantle, but that's very specific to what you're trying to do. A Mendota is 100% loaded with features, which is great because the fan kit's already there, the heat output, you can vary it your desire, and the lights are nice. So the lights I like to use in the off season, so when it's hot I don't want the heat, but I want to highlight the fireplace, so the lights give it a nice effect. So visit us on our website or come into our showroom so we can go over your options with you. We're happy to help you in any way that we can.